Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover the topic infix, postfix and prefix, which is a matter of confusion for many students. Infix is what? Infix means suppose the operator is in between. This is A plus B. Right. So this is infix. And then comes prefix. Prefix says the operator should be before. So plus AB. And if the operator comes afterwards, so it becomes postfix, which is AB plus. Right. So now the question that comes in CBSE board also and in ISC, that convert infix to postfix or prefix. For this, the rules first of all should be very much clear. If suppose you have something in bracket that is given much importance, so that means parenthesis is given importance. Then after that we have, if we have got a power sign like this thing or something like this thing, this is exponentiation. Then comes multiply and divide. That means sometimes people say multiplication and division or division and multiplication. But generally the name given is PEMDAS. PEMDAS means parenthesis of exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So we'll be writing a multiplication or division. Then plus and minus have got equal importance if they are placed inside a bracket. So in maths also we see that even if a smaller expression is present in a bracket, it is evaluated first. So addition, subtraction, so PEMDAS, PEMDAS, right? Based on this rule only we can convert infix to postfix or prefix as we require. So let's see a table that is made in Sumita Arora CBSE book I have in my hand, which is showing a table. Let's see that table first. This table is showing us something in bracket A minus C into B. For this to convert to prefix, first of all give importance to something which is present inside the bracket. So prefix means put the operator before, so minus AC will be there. Then after that into B will be given importance. Now since we are considering that minus AC, suppose it is considered to be an expression A into B. This becomes entire A and this becomes entire B. So A into B may, to convert to prefix we will write into AB. Right? So that is why B's multiplication will be placed beforehand. Right? After converting anything into bracket, don't put the operator just far behind. The operator should be kept just before the bracket. And then give the importance to the multiplication, because now you will be considering that minus AC is considered to be one single variable A. A into B means into AB, prefix mein. So it will be into minus AC B. Now to convert it to this postfix, A minus C, put the operator just after the bracket, AC minus. Now consider AC minus to be again A and into B. So it becomes AB into. So AC minus B into. Right? This is one question. Second question that they have given is A plus B into C. A plus B into C. Now this is again placed in bracket. To convert to prefix, first of all we'll write into BC. First give importance to the bracket expression. Now into BC is there. Consider it to be B. And this is A. A plus B will become plus AB. Right? That means plus will be kept before A. So plus A into BC. And to convert it to postfix, this B into C may, the operator should be placed on the right hand side just after this. Then consider it to be B. This is A plus B. Postfix says AB plus. So the plus operator of A should be kept on the right hand side. ABC into plus. Right? Next question that is coming is, brackets have been kept on both the sides. We are getting here inside a bracket A plus B divided by C minus D. So let's see this also. First of all, we can take any of them. If we take A plus B, we will write immediately plus AB. And if we take C minus D, we will write minus CD. Now this is considered to be A and this is considered to be B. A divided by B may prefix says put the divide beforehand and then write AB. So this means the divide present in between will be kept here. So divide plus AB minus CD. Right? And to convert to postfix, this will be AB plus. Don't put the plus far behind. If it is present inside the bracket, just remove the bracket and place it on the right hand side. And C minus D maybe remove the bracket, write CD minus. Don't put it after divide I should put because divide is of higher importance. Anything present inside the bracket will be given much importance as compared to divide. Now this will be considered to be A and this will be considered to be B and there is a division in between. So we'll write AB divide. That means AB plus CD minus divide. Right? Then comes the next question that they have given. They have given more of the brackets and a bigger expression. A plus B into C, bracket close, divide C minus D into B. For converting it to prefix, first of all let's take this expression. We will first of all evaluate the inner expression. The inner expression is having BC, so we will write into BC. Now consider it to be B and this is A plus. So it will be plus AB. That means plus A into BC. This is the first part that we have solved. Second part we will write into DB, which will be considered to be like suppose D and this is C. C minus D will become minus CD. We will write C and put the minus on the right hand side. Right? So we have got here the expression plus A into BC and minus C into DB. What about the this divide? Now if we write together these two expressions first, plus AB into BC, plus A into BC into BC and then minus C into DB, and there was a divide in between. This divide will be placed on the right hand side because this will be considered to be A and this will be considered to be B. So A divided by B means divide AB. So divide will be placed on the right hand side. Then to convert to postfix, the only thing will be operators will be placed just on the right hand side instead of placing on the left hand side. So for this, this will be BC into. Do not think अरे भाई divide आ गया तो into should be placed on the right hand side. No. Just after the bracket, place its operator just after the bracket. Then comes A plus. This is A, this is B. Entire expression is B. So AB plus will be there. That means A BC into plus. And this thing DB into. This is C minus. That means CD if we take C minus D. So it will be CDB into minus. Then comes a divide. This is A, this is B. The AB divide should be the expression. So writing this expression and this expression, divide should be on the right hand side. So we'll write here the answer as A BC into plus CDB into minus divide. The only thing is that you people have to understand that if there is a bracket and the bracket has got even a small operator minus or plus, place it just after the bracket. Don't place it so far away from that expression. This will make your answer wrong. Right? Because we have seen according to PEMDAS, whatever is there inside the parenthesis, that will be evaluated first. So you have to consider that whenever you are converting one expression, consider it to be A. Then take B. So A into B means into AB will become the prefix. And if you are writing AB into, so it will be like, suppose let's take this thing. This was BC into, this was A plus, BC into is considered to be B. A plus B becomes AB plus. So A, BC into plus. Right? So you have to divide your question into small chunks. You can also do in one more method, like this bigger expression was there, which I generally tell to my students. That first of all you take this B into C into some variable. B into C. Then you can take D into B into some variable Q. Now you have got your expression as A plus P divided by C minus Q. Anything in bracket will be evaluated first of all. So it will become AP plus if we are converting it to postfix. AP plus and this is CQ minus divide. AP plus you can give to some variable if you get confused. AP plus and S will be having CQ minus. So final answer will be R divided by S, which will become RS divide. Now you can replace, but little and little. R has got AP plus. P has got which value? B into C, which will be BC into. So A, BC into. Then comes S. S has got what? CQ minus. C is there, but what is the value of Q? DB into. So C DB into minus. Don't forget the minus sign and here also don't forget the plus sign. A BC into plus. C DB into minus. And then comes a division which I have given here. It will be placed at the end. Similar is the case with right hand side. In the right hand side, this will be placed on here. Right? And then it will become like plus ABC into then minus C plus DB and here the division sign. Right? Because we cannot move this was an into sign. We cannot move the operator of DB into far behind on the left hand side. It was inside the bracket, so it will be kept just after the bracket. Either before or either after. But not too far. That division is there, so division is given much importance, so let it be thrown far away. No. If it is a part of the expression, keep it just on the right hand side or on the left hand side. So hope this much is clear to you people, because if these questions are not clear, you will not be able to solve the questions as given in your papers. Right? And I'll give some more questions on the description box so that you people can solve it and make it much more clear. Thank you.